Our friendly crew on CN B731 has been making good time since we saw them in Longley. It is December the 18th, 2025, and the Kes Railfanning crew has made their way to St. Andre, New Brunswick, just on the west side of Grand Falls, and 731 should be rolling along very soon. We're set up along the edge of the new Napadogan Sub Railway Transshipment Center. That's a fairly wordy title that is in the progress of being built. There are 5 yard tracks on the south side of CN's Napadogan Sub main line that have recently been ballasted and equipped with bumpers and stop signs at the ends. Just across from where we are is the mainline switch to access tracks being built on the north side. The project is being built by local construction and rail service firm Gagnon Construction. While a lot has been done, it still will be well into the new year before it will be open for business. And as you can see, there's a crew blowing snow out of the switches. They also stopped and cleaned the tracks off the small excavator as they went by. Just cleaning up. Our friendly crew has CN 3816 on the head end of 205 empty potash cars with 3912 pushing hard on the rear. This is a typical power setup for a 731 heading back west to Saskatchewan. While there may be other units on the head end of one of these trains from time to time, those extra units would likely just be along for the ride west to their next assignment. Only 2 units needed. As you will hear towards the end of this video, the mile 185 detector, which is just a bit further east out of sight, will report that the train is rolling right along at an average speed of 49 miles per hour. So, with 731's headlight just peeking into view now, here is CN B731 cleaning up in St. Andre.
Napadogan 185. No alarms. Temperature -2°C. Total axle 832. Speed 49. Détecteur RCN Napadogan 185. Aucun problème. Température -2°C. Total essieu 832. Vitesse 4.
I hope that you have enjoyed CN B731 cleaning up in St. Andre. A couple of signal maintainers from CN have been running around, and now with 731 out of the way, they will soon get back to work, checking out the new mainline switch interlocks, we think. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and hit the like button for this video. Also, check out the post section of this channel for regular updates and for photos of this train and other rail-related topics. And until we meet for the next fun adventure with Kes Railfanning, we hope everyone is safe and having a great day. Cheers!